International Women's Day is just such a great stage to have conversations that I think a lot of women are afraid to have. It's allowing women to share their stories, to think differently about some of the struggles that they faced, but also to educate our community, to educate leaders and politicians and decision makers. It's giving women more places at decision-making tables to really help make significant change in our communities, and I think that's incredibly important for those women to have those voices. I think the pandemic, the silver lining of the pandemic, is that we're shining a light on some issues that I don't think people really ever thought about it. We've seen a high level of civic engagement and conversation about some of the issues. And we see lots of chatter on social media, and the chatter isn't people complaining about homeschooling their kids. It's not complaining about lack of childcare. If we dig a little deeper, these are significant issues that impact women in our community that need to be addressed, not just by government and government supports, but also by employers, to acknowledge that work-life balance is important, that access to childcare is important, that access to benefits and good paying jobs is important. So working women have been definitely impacted by the pandemic, and in so many ways, with limited access to childcare, with having to balance being home with kids, leads a lot of women to be employed in precarious work. And that precarious work, we know, has also declined, has shifted, has changed. Shifts have changed over the last couple of years, which is dramatically decreasing the woman's ability to earn an income to support themselves and their families. Women are traditionally the caregivers in a household, and women are making choices every single day about the type of work, the length of time they're able to work. They're making job choices so that they can balance what they need to at home. Women are making choices on the jobs that they take because of childcare, and that lack of affordable childcare is a hindrance to a lot of women to be able to earn an adequate income to support themselves and their families. So having access to affordable childcare actually opens the door for so many women to make different career choices, and make career choices where the pay might be higher instead of taking those lower wage precarious jobs that are able to balance their childcare needs.